Imagine replacing 20-plus expensive marketing tools and running your entire online business from one dashboard for less than the price of lunch. That's exactly what BundleifyAI does. And in this video, I'll show you the dashboard, upgrades, and my exclusive 10 bonus bundle that's only available for a limited time. BundleifyAI is a complete AI-powered business suite for creating and selling digital product bundles. It's built for speed, simplicity, and profit, especially if you don't have design skills, tech knowledge, or a huge budget. With BundleifyAI, you can create bundles of digital products like eBooks, courses, templates, and software. Generate mockups, descriptions, and sales copy with AI. Sell directly through their built-in marketplace. Manage all sales and delivery from one place. Who's it for? White heavy checkmark beginners launching their first online product. White heavy checkmark side hustlers who want a low-cost, high-profit system. White heavy checkmark agencies or freelancers offering product creation services. The biggest problem it solves? You no longer need to pay for Canva, ClickFunnels, Gumroad, or copywriters separately. It's all in one.
What if the fastest way to create and sell a digital product had nothing to do with learning new skills, buying more tools, or spending weeks building it from scratch? Because right now you can go from a simple niche idea to a complete, professional, income-ready product bundle in just seconds, without writing a single word, without designing a single graphic, and without touching a single line of code. Hey, my name is Lovinit Rajora, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you BundleifyAI, the world's first AI dashboard that replaces every tool you thought you needed and compresses the entire creation process into one smooth, effortless workflow. Here's how it works. You log in, type in a keyword for the niche you want to sell in, and the AI instantly shows you proven, high-demand topics so you're never guessing. Once you choose, it starts building your bundle right there on the spot. The ebook is written and beautifully formatted with a professional cover. The course slides are created with matching branding and a ready-to-read script. Every graphic and mock-up is designed to look like it came from a $5,000 agency. Your sales page is live and persuasive with all the right words and layout to convert buyers, and your delivery page is polished and ready for customers to download their purchase the moment they buy. It all happens in one place. Everything matches. Everything is connected, and everything is yours to sell. There's no jumping between apps, no trying to make pieces from different tools look like they belong together, and no weeks-long grind just to get one product ready. Instead, you can create, edit, and export your entire bundle in a single sitting, then upload it to Etsy, Gumroad, Warrior Plus, Fiverr, your own store, anywhere you want, and start selling the same day. And this isn't just about saving time. It's about what that speed and simplicity can do for your business. When you can launch in hours instead of months, you can test more ideas, enter more niches, and grab opportunities before your competition even notices them. You're not stuck waiting. You're not stuck overthinking. You're just creating and selling. Again and again, with a process you can trust every time. Whether you're brand new and just want your first product live without the stress, or you're an experienced seller looking to multiply your offers, fast, BundleifyAI makes it possible. Beginners skip the tech headaches and avoid the guesswork. Freelancers can deliver high-value client packages in record time. And established sellers can dominate new niches with ready-to-go bundles that look and feel like premium products. And the best part, you own everything you create. There are no platform fees, no revenue shares, and no restrictions on where you can sell. Every sale is 100% yours to keep. Imagine what that means for you. Waking up to sales from products you made in minutes, having the freedom to launch as often as you like, and knowing you never have to start from zero again. That's the reality BundleifyAI delivers. And it's why now is the best time to get in. Because during this special launch, you're getting lifetime access for a fraction of what this kind of technology would normally cost. No monthly fees, no usage limits, just unlimited product creation at your fingertips from today forward. And to make it even easier to say yes, you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it. Create your first bundle. See how fast you can go from idea to income ready. And if you don't love how much easier it makes the entire process, just let us know and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So don't wait and watch someone else take the niches you could have owned. Click the button below, get instant access to BundleifyAI, and start creating your first complete, income-ready product bundle today.
Log in. You'll see a clean, simple dashboard. Click Create Bundle. Pick your niche or upload your own assets. AI Power Up. Instantly generate product descriptions, sales copy, and mockups. Publish. Your product is live in the marketplace and ready to sell. Manage everything. Track sales, update products, and deliver instantly without extra tools. OTO 1, Unlimited, $37 to $47. Remove all limits. Get more AI credits and premium templates. OTO 2, DFY Bundle Pack, $47 to $67. Pre-made bundles with full rights. OTO 3, Marketplace Boost, $77 to $97. Featured listings plus advanced analytics. OTO 4, Agency License, $97 to $147. Sell bundle creation as a service. OTO 5, Reseller License, $127 to $197. Sell BundleifyAI as your own and keep 100% profits. OTO 6, White Label, $297 to $397. Fully rebrand and sell as your own SaaS. Grab BundleifyAI through the link below and get these 10 exclusive bonuses. Traffic Surge Blueprint. Drive buyers to your bundles fast. 365 social media templates. Done for you engagement posts. Email Swipe Vault. 200 plus tested email sequences. SEO Booster Kit. Rank your bundles higher in search. PLR Mastery Course. Monetize PLR products like a pro. High-paying affiliate list. Top offers for big commissions. Canva Mega Pack. 500 editable templates. Product Launch Roadmap. Step-by-step launch checklist. Mockup Masterclass. Professional-looking product designs. VIP setup support. Priority help to get started fast. Warning: hurry. Bonuses expire in 48 hours or after 25 buyers. BundleifyAI is a low-cost, all-in-one platform that lets you create, sell, and scale digital products without juggling 10 different tools. If you want the lifetime deal and my exclusive bonuses, click the link below right now, because once the bonus timer hits 0, they're gone. If you found this review helpful, tap like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. Click the first link in the description to grab BundleifyAI with my 10 bonus package before the offer closes. I'll see you inside your new business dashboard.